Binance app: the pros, the cons. The Binance app is one of the most popular cryptocurrency platforms in the world. You won't believe how much you can do from your phone alone, from buying Bitcoin to trading altcoins in real time. Pros include access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies, advanced charting tools, staking options, and savings features. The app is user-friendly, with real-time price alerts, secure login, and two-factor authentication. Beginners can use simplified modes, while experienced traders can access advanced trading options. Binance also supports crypto-to-crypto and fiat-to-crypto transactions. Cons are that the platform can be overwhelming for beginners due to the sheer number of features. Fees may vary depending on trading volume and type of transaction. Regulatory restrictions may limit availability in some countries, and trading carries significant risk of loss. In conclusion, the Binance app is a powerful tool for anyone interested in crypto trading, offering flexibility, real-time insights, and investment opportunities. But users should understand the risks and fees and start cautiously while exploring the platform's many features.